This is the bike's first lengthy voyage. I'm kind of experimenting with this angle. I don't know if it'll actually get anything cool, but we're gonna give it a shot. To run away, so I'm just gonna stall it to death. It keeps acting like it's gonna kick this chain. I definitely need to get a tensioner, so I'll just pedal it. It ain't that bad. I do want to downshift though. A lot. Yeah. See, it keeps acting like it's gonna kick it. Like, that's just ridiculous. This sucks. Maybe I can fix it. Let's see. Now I got my channel locks here too. If you got at least these two things on you, there's a lot of problems you can solve. Looks like that one stayed steady. This one seems to have moved. Get that on there. Yeah, that was pretty loose. How do I get my chain tension? So basically all my problems on this bike are related to the chains. I think what I'm going to do to fix the motor is I'm going to put the axle where it's supposed to be. I'm going to put that other master link in it. And so it'll be a little longer. But I'm going to put that good tensioner on here, the spring-loaded one. Get that boost bottle on here. I'm going to have to change this intake runner. And I want to get a different exhaust. Because the Monster Can exhaust is cool, but you know, it looks cool, and I like that I made it, but it just sounds so bad. I'm gonna get out onto that side street before I start it. See if I can just take back roads back. I don't want to get back on Beltline. That sucks. Here I'm at Glenbrook. Check in with the Navy. Okay. Take the way behind this Baptist church. See where that goes. There ain't no way through here. I'm gonna give this alleyway a stab. Bailey! 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 Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, Bailey. Come on, bud. I might like half a tank.